Hello children, welcome to my class Fun Learning with Jyotsna Ma'am. Children, I have a question for you. Can you tell me if we already have positive numbers, what is the need to introduce negative numbers? Or what is the importance of negative numbers? Today, we are going to do a very interesting activity to understand this. Let's understand this with an activity. The name of the activity is Sea Level Adventure. I have one container with water. I have mixed some color in the water to make it more visible. I have an empty container and some rice with me. Let's mark the level of water. Let's mark it as 0. So this water level is 0 level. Suppose it's like a sea level. This will be like a starting point. Okay. So let's put the empty container on the surface of water. It is floating. So let's calculate the height of this container above sea level. This is how we calculate the height of mountains above sea level or boat above sea level. So with the help of the scale, I'm going to measure the height of this container. So starting from 0, the height is 3.5. This is the height of the boat or the container. It's still here. Okay. So let's write down here. So this is the height and it is coming 3.5. This is above the sea level, so it will be positive. Okay, here positive is denoting above the sea level. All right. So now what we are going to do is let's check all the surface of the water. The height will be same 3.5. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to put some rice on the container. Let's put some rice on the container. Now let's put the container filled with rice on water. Let's see what happens. What's happening? It is the container is going down under the water and it is half of the container is sinking. Are you able to see? Let me zoom. See? So this much of container is sinking under the water. I think you all have seen submarines underwater. So how we calculate the depth of submarine under the water? With the help of negative numbers. So let's measure its height, its depth. Okay, so let's measure its depth. It is coming 1.5. So from here it is coming 1.5 as it's denoting depth under sea level. So we are going to mark it as negative. We are going to mark it as minus 1.5. All right. So children, I hope you've understood the use of positive and negative numbers by this hands-on activity. I can give you one more example. Like if you're going to a bank and if you're depositing some money, you can show it with positive numbers, and if you're withdrawing some amount of money, we can show it with negative numbers. If you have more examples, you can write it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.